Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
So today's challenge is
Guess the fruit by emoji.
so come on, let's go guys.
ಇವಾಗ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ಇರಿ 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You will count and sell. 10 minutes. 9 minutes.
Pause modu. One.
Uh.
Mango.
Mango.
Yes, it's mango.
What I said? Mango. I said no.
Peace.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
I said no.
Pear.
ನಂಗೆ ತರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Pause modu.
My mama tell pear.
Next.
Kiwi.
E plus P, kiwi. She's smart actually. She's more smart than me.
F. I said no, guys.
Cherry. Nan first.
Okay. You are.
Cherry.
My mama tell.
My mama is correct. Date. It's date. It's showing like calendar, so it's date. Dates. Strawberry.
My mama tell. Guys.
You ignore her, guys. She's like overacting.
Strawberry, my mama said.
What is this? Dragon
fruit.
Almost we can guess almost fruits, I think, guys. Yes.
I tell no, guys. Apple.
Oh, and apple. ನಂಗೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
I tell no, guys. Orange.
Oh, run plus G. Orange. Right, guys. It's absolutely right.
I tell no, guys.
Coconut.
Coconut, correct, the guys. Oh.
ಅದು Coca-Cola.
My mama said.
Green apple.
My mama said green apple. So many of fruits. Pineapple.
Oh, it's wrong. Banana. Anna.
I don't tell no, guys. Let me hint.
Yes, it's right.
Black.
ಗೊರಿಲ್ಲನಾ ಮಂಕಿನಾ
Black.
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸು ಏನ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇದು
ಏನಿದು? ಜಾಕ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್
ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಜಾಕ್ ಫ್ರೂಟಾ?
Apple.
ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. Pomegranate.
My mama's telling.
My mom is correct. It's not my mama's telling.
Sweet. Good.
Pomegranate.
Watermelon.
That's right, guys. She's right.
I'm telling you guys.
I'm saying, not telling.
I'm saying.
Star fruit.
Ah. Say my mama.
Star fruit.
Star fruit ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
ಏನಿದು? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't know. ನಾಲ್ಕು ತೆಲಿದು.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ತೆಲಿದು. ಪಪ್ಪಾಯ.
Lemon.
My mama's telling.
My mom is correct.
My mom is correct. I am not correct.
My mom is right actually. We got actually 18. Thank you. And this was our.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
No. Wait.
ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ,
Subscribe.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್
ಹಂಗೆ ಬಡೀರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Please guys support us.
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೀ.
I'll speak in English and she'll speak in Kannada actually.
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Support ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Please.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
Please
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್.
support. Please. Bye guys.